you don't have a match until June with Holland, but you've already suffered a blow there with. It's a massive blow for yourself, massive blow for Wales, but more importantly, I suppose, for the player himself, Sam Vokes, who's having an outstanding season at Burnley, scoring goals, looks so innocuous against Leicester, and yet such a serious injury.
Yeah, and that type of injury, it can happen like that. Gutted for Sam, you know, he's worked so hard and he's fulfilling his potential. It seems like he's been around for a long time, and he has, but he burst onto the scene at 16 at Bournemouth, and he's still got all in front of him, you know. But he's had a great, super season. Not just his goals, but his all-round play, and it's such a shame. He'll play a big part, Sam, in our campaign. We may miss him for the start, depending on when he can get back. But the main thing now is he gets back. He enjoys his time with Burnley in the Premier League, and it looks like that's what's going to happen. He's got to get himself fit. He's got to get over the disappointment that he'll be feeling at the moment of having a long-term injury. And he'll do that. We'll help him do that also, and get him back, because first and foremost, he's a good man to work with. He's the right type, great mentality, and that's what will get him back.